UF-B, underground feeder and branch circuit cable, and NMC, non-metallic sheath cable, are commonly used wiring methods in residential electrical systems. However, their installation within concrete or adobe walls requires careful consideration of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and manufacturer's specifications. The primary concern is whether these cables can be run horizontally through the mortar joints of such walls. According to the NEC, specifically referring to the 2017 edition, neither UF-B nor NMC cable is permitted to be installed in this manner. This restriction is primarily due to the potential for physical damage and degradation of the cable insulation. Concrete and adobe walls, by their nature, can be abrasive and may contain moisture. Mortar joints, in particular, are vulnerable to moisture penetration. If UF-B or NMC cable is embedded directly within these joints, the cable's outer jacket and insulation are susceptible to prolonged exposure to moisture and potentially corrosive elements present in the mortar or surrounding soil. This exposure can lead to a breakdown of the insulation, creating a risk of electrical shorts, ground faults, and ultimately, fire hazards. Furthermore, the act of installing the cable within the mortar joint can itself compromise the cable's integrity. The process of embedding the cable may involve bending or compressing it, potentially damaging the conductors or insulation. The NEC mandates that wiring methods be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner to ensure their long-term reliability and safety. Running cables haphazardly through mortar joints would violate this principle. There are alternative approved methods for routing UF-B and NMC cable in or on concrete and adobe walls. One option is to use a conduit or raceway system. Conduit provides a protective barrier between the cable and the surrounding concrete or adobe, shielding it from moisture, physical damage, and chemical attack. The cable is pulled through the conduit after the conduit is installed. Another approach is to surface mount the cable using appropriate cable clamps or straps. This method keeps the cable visible and accessible for inspection and maintenance. When surface mounting cables on concrete or adobe walls, it is crucial to use fasteners that are specifically designed for these materials. Hydro-actuated fasteners or expansion anchors are commonly used to securely attach cable clamps or straps to concrete or adobe surfaces. The spacing of the fastener should comply with the NEC requirements and the manufacturer's recommendations. When transitioning from an interior to an exterior wall, it is essential to use a weatherproof fitting to prevent moisture from entering the building. UF-B cable is designed for direct burial in the earth and is resistant to moisture and sunlight. However, even UF-B cable should be protected from physical damage when installed on the surface of a concrete or adobe wall. In addition to the NEC requirements, local building codes may have additional restrictions or requirements for wiring installations in concrete and adobe walls. It is crucial to consult with the local building department to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. When working with electrical wiring, safety is paramount. Always energize the circuit before working on any electrical components. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and rubber gloves. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician. The NEC specifies minimum burial depths for underground wiring. These depths vary depending on the voltage of the circuit and the type of wiring method used. UF-B cable, when directly buried, must be installed at a minimum depth of 24 inches below grade for circuits rated 600 volts or less. If the circuit is protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, the minimum burial depth may be reduced to 12 inches. It is important to note that these are minimum requirements, and local conditions may necessitate deeper burial depths. For example, in areas with frequent freezing and thawing, it may be necessary to bury the cable below the frost line to prevent damage from ground movement. The NEC also specifies the types of fittings and connectors that are permitted for use with UF-B and NMC cable. These fittings must be listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, and must be suitable for the environment in which they are installed. For example, when using UF-B cable in a wet location, such as a direct burial application, it is crucial to use fittings that are rated for wet locations. These fittings are designed to prevent moisture from entering the cable and causing corrosion or electrical problems. When installing UF-B cable, it is important to avoid sharp bends or kinks in the cable. Sharp bends can damage the cable insulation and reduce its current carrying capacity. The NEC specifies minimum bending radii for various types of cables. The bending radius for UF-B cable is typically 5 times the diameter of the cable. When making connections to electrical devices such as outlets, switches, and light fixtures, it is essential to use the correct wiring methods and techniques. All connections must be made inside approved electrical boxes. The electrical boxes must be properly grounded to provide a path for fault current to return to the source. The NEC specifies the types of grounding conductors that are permitted for use in electrical systems. The grounding conductor must be sized according to the size of the circuit conductors. When working with electrical wiring, it is always a good idea to double-check your work to ensure that all connections are secure and that all grounding conductors are properly connected. A visual inspection of the wiring is also recommended to identify any potential problems, such as damaged insulation or loose connections. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical wiring, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to ensure your safety and the safety of others. In summary, while UF-B cable is designed for underground use and NMC cable is common for interior wiring, neither should be run horizontally through mortar joints in concrete or adobe walls due to risks of moisture damage and physical abrasion. Always consult the NEC local codes and manufacturer instructions for proper and safe electrical installations. Alternative methods such as conduit or surface mounting should be used to protect the cable.